Hi, this is Rick Sorsey with Stockdale Kitchen and Bath, and I'd like to show you a project that we just completed. Come check it out with me. It's a beautiful kitchen by Waypoint Cabinetry. Picture framed mitered door, sophisticated. The color is called vanilla. I've noticed a lot of clients moving away from the whites and grays into the soft, warm tones. Here they did it perfectly by pairing a champagne gold hardware and faucet by Delta. This is one big single bowl sink. Probably the most common sink I see my clients choosing. An air switch for the garbage disposal. Convenient. KitchenAid appliances. This is a 36-inch range. Now, what's nice about a 36-inch range? Well, look at the big cooktop space you get. Plus, an extra large oven. This has a glide rack for heavy things like turkeys. Now, what's nice about KitchenAid is it comes with a lot of creature comforts, like convection convert. That feature is where you can put a recipe into the computer of the range, and it'll do the math for you, so it'll cook in convection. Pot filler. So, great feature, not only for filling a stock pot, but also for adding a little bit of water to help clean at the end. But there's no drain here, so notice that it has two shutoff valves. So you always gotta use both. Freestanding hood to capture the range. Elegant, simple lines. Goes well. Look at the backsplash. This is a trend that I've really noticed lately also, and that is getting away from the subway patterns into large format backsplashes where it all looks like one piece. These tiles are actually 36 inches long with a next to nothing grout joint. The countertops play with it very nicely. This man-made quartz is one of my favorites. Glass. So glass is really nice in a kitchen, especially just in one focal spot. This glass is seated, so it has little bubbles in the glass. It softens it. Also, it adds a window to the wall, making the whole run of cabinetry feel lighter and brighter. Under cabinet lighting. This is great for ambient lighting and also task lighting. So if you're cutting something here, you can really see what you're doing. Look at the floor. It's a 25-year luxury vinyl plank in a natural color. So this really lightened up the whole home. And because it did, we're able to add a little bit more color to the walls. I'll show you that later. KitchenAid is a great line of appliances. Why? Because it's upscale without costing a fortune. Come check out these cabinets that we refinished. These were existing cabinets. They were oak. So we added new trim, added a valance to go across, and paint the same vanilla as the new cabinets. This was actually a pretty tough design. We spent a good amount of time in design with this client. Originally, the sink was on the peninsula, and the dishwasher came down and kind of hit you as you sat at the sink. So because of that, with the sink, this peninsula intruded upon the refrigerator, and it was very tight. By moving the sink to the back wall with the dishwasher, we could add a trash can, and so it's scrape, rinse, dishwasher. And we have a really nice wide open space to travel in and out of the kitchen. Come check out this fireplace we did. Beautiful new fireplace, all on a remote. There it is. And this is a 36 by 36 inch tile. So it's more of a formal look. And with these vanes, if you went to a smaller tile, it could get a little choppy. So we decided to go to this larger format to give more continuity to the grain pattern. Then a nice simple trim around the fireplace box and a tile base. New mantle, up a little bit higher than the old one, but simple, clean lines and elegant. There's one last thing I'd like to show you, and it's in the laundry room. Now, I've done hundreds, if not thousands of homes, and I've never seen this. Come check it out. Beautiful laundry room, but look at this sink. So this sink is like a little mini jacuzzi. So what's it used for? Well, it actually is used to wash delicate items like sweaters and things of that nature. But also, Gus the dog, well, he's a little spoiled. Check this out. He's got his own jacuzzi. That's the dog's life I'd want. Well, if you have any questions, my name's Rick Sorsey, and the business is Stockdale Kitchen and Bath. The phone number is 661-834-3333. That's 661-834-3333. Give us a call today.